What's up, everyone? Jared here with San Antonio Auto Reviews, and today we're outside in the spring day. Very nasally today. Allergies are kicking my butt, so apologize for that in advance, but we are going to do a video on the RainX Windshield repair kit. I've seen reviews, I've seen videos on it. Seems to be mixed opinions. Some people say it's great, some people say it's not. There's already several videos on YouTube, but I wanted to make one myself. It's a windshield on Sequoia, got a little crack on it, more of a gash and a crack, but we're gonna see if this works. So we're gonna go over how to do it, and let's go ahead, give it a shot. So personally do recommend cleaning off the spot. Funny enough, I have a RainX glass cleaner repellent. This is just to get any sort of glass out or any sort of debris. So there's the spot right there that we're going after. Like I said, nothing crazy. We're gonna clean it out real quick, and then we'll see if we can fix it. And just to go over what comes in it, so you have this right here, which goes on the windshield, and you align the middle up with the spot, and this is where you'll insert the material in. And then right here we've got the little piece that screws in that goes into here, and this is like a plunger for it. And then you have the adhesive material itself right here. Put it in, repair resin. And it also comes with these instructions, which if I can open it up a little bit, it just kind of shows step by step what to do with pictures. And I'll open this up real quick and show you it better view of your instructions, kind of step by step on what you do. It even goes to the back right here. And then it also comes with the little blade that you use to scrape off the excess adhesive and, you know, flatten it out. And then you also got the little pads which you need for the final step. So we're gonna go ahead, get started on this. We'll do a step-by-step show off, and we'll see if this thing works or if it's just a gimmick. You start by placing this on. You get it right over. So let me go to the other side. I can't even talk today. And I'll kind of show you what we got. So there's the other side right there. You see I got where we need. A little bit off, so I'm gonna readjust it, but you're gonna want it to be right in the center as much as you can. I got this screwed in and made contact with the glass right there. We're gonna put the resin in. It says do 4 to 6 drops, so you just put it right in here. Let it do its thing. So I'm gonna do that real quick. See, I have the plunger screwed in. It kind of made some resin come out, so you just kind of wipe. What I will say is I had a bit of an accident with mine, and the top where it's supposed to go in wasn't punctured, so I went to try to puncture it and I popped the bottle and leaked most of it. So this is going to be a really weird example of doing this, but we're actually going to just put it to the test to see if you could just do a little bit and make it work. So let's see what happens. For those of you who don't mess up your bottle, you'll just put the resin in, and then what you'll do is unscrew if it's not really going in and put more, and then from there you'll add more. Put the little adhesive strip that I showed earlier on, and then let it bake. So we're gonna see what we can do, but I don't know if I have enough. So what I just showed was I released the chamber, and then I pushed it back down for pressure. It does say to add some if it's not really going in, but it's a warm enough day where what I put in there is already going in enough. So I'm not doing it twice, I'm just doing it the one time, but you are supposed to kind of add more in, go from there. So we're gonna let it sit for another few minutes, and we're gonna take it all off. And we're gonna try to see if we can just get a little bit to do the little adhesive part. We're just gonna try it and see what happens. And then we'll do the scraping and show the results. So we let it sit for a while, so we're gonna go ahead, remove this, and then we're gonna remove the whole thing altogether. And we're gonna wipe off any excess that drips down. Once we do that, we'll put the applicator on and just put a little bit more over it. Let it bake for a second in the sun. Once that happens, we'll come back, scrape off the excess, flatten it out, and we should be good. So we'll show that and get it going. It looks like after. We're about to put the applicator on now, but I wanted to show it. It's the applicator, so I put adhesive on just a little bit, put it over. It's gonna bake in for 5 to 10 minutes in direct sunlight. Once that's done, I'll take it off, and then that's where you'll start scraping. I'll show that. Clean it, and then it should be good, so we'll see. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take this off. It's been sitting there long enough. You'll see kind of where it formed around, so that's where we're gonna scrape and flatten out right there. The blade they provided, and so what you do is you go up here, and it says do it 90 degrees, so you just kind of scrape. You'll see it start coming off. You just gotta keep scraping. This is a part that I don't like, but it says it's safe to do and it's not gonna affect anything, so just kind of scrape over it and make sure you get all that off. Here are the results, as you can see right there. It did a decent job. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. I can't notice the gash as much. Let me just show you from here too. It's kind of hard to see, but right there, it was more of a noticeable gash. So it filled it in. There's a little bit of a line and a little dot, but nowhere near what it was. So overall, I would recommend this. Again, mine was a bit messed up. So if yours messes up, this is what it'd be like. But if you were able to do it completely right, it probably does a lot better. And so I would recommend it. Not as much of a gimmick for 12 bucks, not that bad. But let me know your experiences. Let me know what you think about this. If you think it's legit, if you think it's just stupid, you let me know. And hopefully this video was good. Sorry about my nose again. Until the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.